Hi, my name's Brett Stringer, and for the past 3 years I've been the Flinders Foundation Brain Cancer Research Fellow. Being aware that this 3-year fellowship was funded largely by individuals and groups with a connection to people with brain cancer made it especially personal to me, and I was mindful of this every day and the need to create a positive legacy from an otherwise dreadful experience for these people. It's been an incredibly productive 3 years. I'd like to share with you some of what we've achieved in this time. Here at Flinders University in the laboratory of Simon Conn, we've created a set of unique tools to help us investigate a type of molecule found in cells called circular RNA. The lab has recently shown that this is important for the initiation of leukemia in some people, so we're hoping that we can investigate their role now in brain cancer. And at SAMRI, or the South Australian Health and Medical Research Institute, in the laboratory of Associate Professor Cedric Barty, we've done some exciting work looking at the effect of cerebrospinal fluid on brain cancer cells. By looking at the effect of cerebrospinal fluid exposure to these cells, we found unexpectedly, among other things, increases their resistance to radiotherapy and chemotherapy, which is usually used to treat this disease. We found that by looking at the effect of cerebrospinal fluid on single cells, single brain cancer cells, how this might be happening. And more importantly, we've identified a drug which sensitizes these cells again to radiotherapy and chemotherapy. In our preclinical laboratory studies, this suggests a way that we may be able to treat brain cancer better. We're in discussions now with our clinical colleagues treating brain cancer around the country to initiate a clinical trial to see if this translates into benefit for brain cancer patients, which we think is incredibly exciting. So thank you to everyone who supported the fellowship and for their support of the Flinders Foundation. Together we can prevent, cure and care.